I'm familiar with the rules of the Senate, and the Senate says that in proving facts, the rules of court apply in the suppletory character.
I don't need to argue with you about
Opo,
that, Attorney.
pero
But you
ang
don't need
sinasabi
to,
ko lang
excuse
po-
me, sandali po. You don't need to tell the committee what the rules of the Senate are.
Well, I'm just
Please
citing
just
po.
answer our question. Actually,
Pag
as
wala
I
po
said
yan,
earlier, excuse
hindi
me,
po
excuse
siya
me.
po
No,
pwede.
excuse
Ma'am,
me.
excuse me kasi-
No, excuse me, Attorney Roque.
I'm sorry, madam, but I am a
it's all
resource
right.
person invited.
Yes, you are.
I
Wait,
was asked
let me
to
finish.
answer.
Yes, you
Hindi ko
already
po
answered in
maintindihan,
excess.
Kapag gusto niyo
Sandali
akong
po.
tumigil, papatigil niyo kapag ako nag-explain.
Yes.
I thought we were engaged in
Attorney.
the search for the truth.
Oh, definitely we are. Yes, and Sherwin.
Attorney Roque, please be reminded to respect the chairperson.
I'm very respectful, Madam Chair.
Paano respectful yung nagsasalita siya, sinasabayan mo siya?
I apologize.
And if you disrespect the chairperson, we'll be compelled to cite you in contempt.
I understand and I apologize.
Mo naman
Your Honor.
sabayan siya, nagsasalita siya, siyang chairperson.
Okay, Your Honor. I understand. I apologize.
Tubers Clippers, making long news short. Subscribe now.